It is beyond easy to edit warped text in Kittl, so I'm going to show you exactly how to set it up and then how to easily edit the text after you've applied that effect. So let's take a look right now. Alright, here we have some text that has been distorted. So you can see that it is warped, it is making this kind of curved shape, and the text is following along with that distorted shape. So all we have to do is click on the text, and you can see here that it's been distorted with our transformation. But to easily edit it, all I have to do is click on it, and then I can type a new word, and as soon as I click out of the box, boom, it still has that edited shape. It has that warped or distort shape right there, and I can do the same thing above. Now, if I use a smaller word like this, which is hey, you can see it's stretching all the way across, so you may want to try a couple of different things, like maybe try a different word if you are using something like this, just to fill the space a little bit better and make it stretch a little bit easier all the way across. Now, you can also edit the transformation, so if I hit edit, I can grab these points, and as you can see, you can lift them up here to make the distortion higher, lower, more warped, more curved, however you want it. You can easily do it like that and move it down. And another thing that you can do is to increase or decrease the letter spacing here, which will adjust the distorted look of the letter. So you can see here's less and here's more space in between the letters, which could help you out with this distorted effect. Now, if you want to see other tutorials using Kittl, I have these videos here on my right that I know you're going to enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any upcoming videos and features and things like that. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.